Yes, all of you can hear me.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Mandar, I'm posting one link. I just wanted to. Okay. So basically, I'll do live on this. I just wanted to test also. So just check it. If it will not work, then again we will come back to this one. So I have still opened this one, and now I'm muting this Google Classroom, and we'll go to that particular link. Okay, and let's
Yes,
see
sir.
whether
It's
it's working.
working.
Okay, okay, okay. So Manda, if any problem is there, you can directly call me. Okay. So today we'll see. Just 1 minute. Okay. So today we'll see prologue introduction. So where we use this particular language, this language is used in artificial intelligence. Okay, where we can write some logical program. So we'll be seeing this prologue introduction. Okay. So if you see the name, it's prologue. So it is taken from this particular. So if we say programming or program in logic, okay, or program with logic. So if you see here, these three words and these three letters are combined to give you this prologue. So that means a programming language which is used for writing a logical program. Okay, so that's what this is prologue is, and this is very popular in writing the artificial intelligence program, and it's very simple also. The basic difference between this prolog language and your this C++ and Java. Okay, so let me show you. C++, then Java. Okay, Java is oops, right? This is also the combination of both procedural and object oriented programming. So it's both procedural as well as object oriented programming, and this is procedural language. So normally in this kind of languages, what happens, the programmer, okay, what programmer does, so programmer will have to specify the steps to solve the problems. Okay, so programmer specifies steps. So for example, suppose I want to go from one particular, for example, let's say, suppose one place is there A, and from here let's say there is one place B. Okay, 50 kilometer apart. So I am at this particular place. I want to go to destination B, and let's say I want to go by Ola, Uber, okay, whatever car. So what I'll do, first step, I will always go on the app and I will try to book the Ola, Uber, right? Then I will tell the driver for that particular destination. Then I will enter the code and then driver will start the journey, right? and when the driver will reach at that particular step, right, then I will leave that particular cab and I will pay the fare. So these are the basically steps to solve this particular problem, the problem of going from one particular place to this particular place. So in the normal procedural programming language, we have to specify the steps. That means we have to first write the algorithm. Algorithm is what the sequence of steps to solve any problem, right? So we have to write that algorithm or the steps to solve the problem in the procedural languages. But in a Prolog, we have to, we don't have to specify the steps, okay, but we have to tell what we want to solve, right? And we don't specify how to solve it, but we tell that what is to be solved, that's it. And then by using the logic and all, it will be able to solve. So in the, this is the basic and important difference between the other programming languages and the Prolog languages, that in the other programming languages we specify how to solve, we specify the steps, but in this Prolog language we don't specify the steps. Here we just tell what to be done, okay. And then the second thing, when it was developed, when it came into picture, so it is there since 1970, okay. So it's there since 1970, this particular programming language. And then which kind of problems it can solve. So what kind of logical problem, like if you want to solve any puzzle, if you want to solve any relation problem, right, relation, that means he is the brother of x is brother of y, okay, so that kind of problem, relation problem, or any kind of relation. So this kind of logical problem it can solve very quickly. Now it has, for example, it has let's say this kind of structure where it specifies the relation. Let's say, suppose I am writing Sachin owns car, right? So if you see here, this is a person name, this is a person name, and this is the object, okay, this is the object, right? So here this particular statement specifies the relation, that is the Sachin is the owner of the car, okay. So it specifies the relationship, right? So here in Prolog language we write number of facts, okay, number of facts, okay, number of facts and rules we specify in the Prolog language, and based on that, whatever question we will give to this particular programming language, it will try to answer us. So basically the Prolog language will have its own knowledge base, okay, KB. This is called as what? Knowledge base. Knowledge base. And then to this particular knowledge base will be given to machine, and we can specify our own facts, okay. We can also specify the rules. So we can specify the facts and rules, and then based on the knowledge base and the facts and rules, if we will give any, we fire any question, okay, we fire any question to the machine, so it will try to give the output, okay, it will try to give the output based on its knowledge base and facts and rules. Now, so without wasting much time, okay, without wasting much time, let's see how to do this particular programming language, and we have to solve few problems based on this. So you will have to download this particular software, HWI Prolog, HWI Prolog. So what you can do, you can just go to Google and Google for this one, HWI Prolog. So let me show you SWI Prolog, and once I told you to download this and install it, so most of you might have already done this. So if you not downloaded, then you can download this HWI Prolog. Okay, so you can download from here, right? For Windows. Yeah, if you click on the stable release, I think 8.2.21 is there. Then SWI Prolog, this one is there for 32-bit, so you can download this one for 64-bit. If your machine is 32-bit, then you can download this one, and I think the size is not much, so you can download it quickly. So let me check if you already downloaded. You can just comment in your Google Classroom whether you downloaded already SWI Prolog. If you're not downloaded, please download it and install it. Okay, just download and install it. You don't have to do anything, just select the drive and then in that particular drive just install it. Not required, not required. Just do the default whatever setting is there. Let me show you if I think if I'll be able to download it. It will take time, so just do the default next, that's it. Then please go to this start and say SWI and start this one. Click on that. Okay, I'm giving you the time. I'm giving all of you time, 5 minutes. You just after installing, you can go to start and then set SWI Prolog.
So while installing, everything has to be default, right?
Yes. So if it is not installed, if you are not able to install it, then I can demonstrate. Otherwise I don't want to install because I'm already having that. Let me change the drive. Let me check. So all of you can comment. If you already done, then I'll not demonstrate. So if this kind of error is coming, then what you can do, you can just no your security you can just off, and then you can start installation. If any security warning is coming, then you can just switch off your no security, and then you can start installation. Okay, if it is done, then all of you please start this by saying SWI in the start, and all of you please start this SWI Prolog. Okay, so this prompt will come. What you can do, you can just click on new file, and you can click on new. Okay, all of you just click on file and click on new, and then let's say give any name. Let's say my first .pl for Prolog, my first .pl, and you can just say save. So a box, I mean no notepad will open like this. Okay, editor, and then here we can write the program. So all of you till here with me. Okay, now what we can do, so let me write few things in this. So let's say, suppose I am writing important money. So this is how we can write some facts. Okay, some clauses I am writing, and at the end I am giving one full stop. That is the end of this particular thing, right? So I am saying important, money is important. Then let's say I am saying
So
read.
should we click on a new file?
Yeah, here click on file, click on new. Okay, and then give the any file name .pl, the extension will be .pl, and then save it. So click on new, and then give some name. Okay, .pl, and save it. So after that it will open this one. Whether you are able to open the file. Just let me know whether all of you able to open the file. Okay. So I have written first statement important money in the bracket money and full stop. Then after this I am saying read, and let's say Sachin book. So I am saying Sachin is reading book. Then let's say I am saying play Virat. I am saying cricket. So I am saying Virat plays cricket. You will have to just click on save. Just click on save. After giving the name, click on save. Okay, you can write mother of, let's say I am saying Jenny is Jack. Okay, then I am saying father of say John. So I am saying mother, Jenny is mother of Jack and John is father of Jack. Okay, statements which I have written. These are the few statements which I have written, and after every statement there is one dot, that is the end of that particular statement. So these are the few facts which I have written, and after writing you can write anything whatever you feel. Okay, according to you can write. So in the first clause what I have told that important money is important. Then I am saying Sachin reads book. Then Virat plays cricket. Then I am saying Jenny mother is Jack, and then John father is Jack. Okay, now I'll say compile, and here I'll say compile buffer. So all of you see carefully, compile buffer. I'll say okay. So let me check. Test. Okay, so it has taken just 1 minute. It's not taking. There is some, yeah, I think was we have to write in small letters. So all of you do the changes, just write in small letters. Let's say important, I'll say read. Okay, this one is only one, yeah, so this will be in a small letter, and let it be this one. So first I'll explain about this important money, and then let me write over here play. So Jack play.
Sir, I tried putting read colon.
So don't put colon now. Okay, don't put colon now. So let me check this one. Read Virat, let's say Bo. Okay, now let me compile this. Okay, so it's not taking here. So few it's taking, few it's not taking. Wait. Okay. So let me check play. Mhm. Okay, I hope got compiled. Yeah, so okay, so if you see here, I have written two statements. We'll check that one also, why it was not working. So here I have written two clauses. One is important money and second is priceless time, and all with ended with dot. I just compiled, I clicked on this and I said may compile buffer, or you can just press Ctrl C and Ctrl B. Okay, first you can press Ctrl C and Ctrl B, or you can say compile buffer. Then once it will compile, how we can fire the query. So we two through we have written over here two facts, and then here I am saying that whether priceless time. So I am asking what it will do. It will go in what you have written over there and we try to match. So if it will find the match, okay, it will return the true, otherwise it will say what, false. So this it will find the match with the priceless time and it will return the true. If I'll write priceless money, then it will